pantry at saka ng fridge. Need to sanitize them at least kasi always make it a habit kasi there is a research wherein yung mga virus guys like they could stay here for like hours, so always make sure to clean them. So ang ginagawa ko guys is ito, I have like a cleansing wipes here or like mga ganito, tapos ang nilalagay ko para mas ma-enhance yung strong or effectivity nito guys is nilalagyan ko ng alcohol yung loob, or you can also have like this spray. Meron ako nito, so ini-spray ko lang siya guys, tapos ang ginagawa ko is pinupunasan ko siya, especially yung mga ganitong part guys kasi hinahawakan din ito nung mga ibang bumibili guys, like hawak sila ng hawak. Syempre if that person is contaminated or has the virus, so matatransfer dito. So ginagawa ko mostly is ini-sprayan ko lahat nung pinamili ko bago ko siya hawakan. Hinahayaan ko lang muna siya, tapos later on pupunasan ko. Ayun lang naman guys. So, hi guys. So, before I show you something, so hopefully ma-inspire kayo dito sa video na to, na wherein ma-inspire kayo maglinis, especially that we are fighting some problem right now, especially sa mga virus na yan, sa nCoV. So, hopefully makapag-ayos din kayo, and hopefully may ma-pick up kayong something wherein like you can, oh, I should have bought some stuff like this. It's very important. So, ayan guys. Papakita ko lang naman sa inyo guys kung gaano ko inorganize. So, simple lang naman to guys, hindi to yung parang mga Jinky Pacquiao ang mga peg. So, ayun lang naman guys. So, itong room guys, there's the small pantry. So, ito yung room na supposedly laundry area pero walang washing machine sa condo, so nagpapalaundry ako normal. I'm gonna show you first. So ayan, again guys, this is where I put my ayan guys, yun yung mga badminton shoes ko. I have tissue there. So, nabili ko to sa Daiso Japan, so nasa 98 pesos lang to. And ginagamit ko lang naman, ito yung coreless tissue guys. Normally I'm just using it for like if I'm frying something or if I like my sipon. So, and then I also have the bag here, and nandyan yung laundry ko, some shoes and slippers, and then we also have this yung washing machine. Then so I have some extra mats there. And then ito guys, yung mga cleansing stuff ko, tapos mga toiletries. So ayan, let me show it to you, the whole thing. So ayan guys, sakto lang siya.
Paano masabi?
So hopefully it would last for a month. So, ito yung mga sabon. Next time guys, I would rather go for this one, like yung isang pack lang nito, para less plastic as compared pag ganito guys. Ito mga stock ko to guys. Ayan. Pag nag-washing ako ng mga dry fit or whatnot. Like the chlorine and then Mr. Muscle yan. Tapos yung shampoo, I got it from Watson's before nung nag-lockdown. Naka-sale sila. Only got it for like $260. So, that's Pantene. And then yung mga iba naman dito, mga toothbrush, mga pang scrub, at saka mga body wash. So ayan, tapos yung aftershave ko andyan. Tapos I bought this naman from Market. Meron ding ano. Tapos yung biogenic isopropyl dyan guys, baka may mag-bash. So there's also Scotch Brite there, another extra for pang map. Ito guys is 40%, so stock ko lang yan. So, ayan, hindi ko siya magamit because hindi naman siya effective. It needs to be 70%. So, ito naman yung mga safeguard. Pero mas hiyang ko kasi to guys, tong yellow. Like, I'm having like back acne. So, this one is really good. And I'm not using any whiteners guys kasi I already have like white skin. So, no need for that. Because a lot of people were asking me like, are you using glutathione or injection or whatnot? Sorry guys, I don't do that. So, it's because of my dad. So, alam nyo na yun. And here is the safeguard. So, safeguard lang ako. Yung Dove minsan, pag sobrang dry yung balat. Pero I'm not a fan of this. And kasi minsan ang hirap balnasan. Lalo pag may problema sa water or whatnot. So, I have some toothpaste. Mga, ano bang tawag dito? Cotton pads. So, pag nag-cleanse ng mukha. And then, ano pa bang mga nandito? Okay, so I have some of this, mga extra deodorant, WD-40, tas mga cleanser. Ano pa ba yung mga nandito? So, ayan, sa mga off lotion na spray. Of course, we need protection from dengue. Ito guys, nabili ko to sa market last time kasi nagbebenta sila pero you can only buy one of this or like 2 medium. So, hindi ka pwedeng lumagpas ng malaking bote. Para at least hindi tayo, di ba, para makabili rin yung iba. Huwag tayong mag-hoard. And then, I have like an extra of this from Watson's. So, ayan. And, ano ba yung mga nasa likod? Ito guys, liquid sosa. So, panglinis ng drain pipes sa may lutuan or sa CR. So, ayan. And then, I also have like this bleach ng Comet. Then, some pledge, yung mga cleanse, pang air freshener. Tapos, ito rin yung sa off lotion for deep woods. Pag nagba-badminton din kasi ako guys, nagdadala ako ng ganun kasi madaming lamok sa badminton court minsan. So, I also have this. Ito guys, magkano lang to kaysa bumili ka nung Joy, which is really expensive and it does works the same din naman. I only got it for like 49 pesos. Sabi mo nang 50 pesos ito and it's just 1 liter and malapot siya guys and mabula siya. Tapos pwede naman siya manglinis. I have like glass cleaner there. I have this thing. Wala kasi sila sa Japan Homes nung tawag dito nung parang mga Lysol. So I have like Lysol, 2 Lysol here. Tapos ito yung parang all-purpose cleaner. Tapos may glass cleaner sa mga sponge, mga soap. Ayan, yung mga Downy soap. Ito, ano ba ito? Yan, air freshener. Ayan. Tapos I have some bleach. Important din yung bleach guys kasi you can, you know, wash everything and all sorts of stuff. So, ayan. Panglinis din siya. So, ayan. Ang next naman is yung small pantry natin, which is also our kitchen. So, ayan. Just to show you. This is where I normally cook, guys. And then I have like an electric kettle there. This is my pan. My timer dyan, or my orasan dyan, guys. And I have this small lamp. I have my blender. Dito ako nagpapatuyo, guys. Ito naman yung sink, ayan, and then some condiments there. Have some of yung mga ginagamit na panluto, and then I have some stocks here, like mga onion, garlic, ginger, yung ano ba tawag dito, singkamas, and then I have some dried stuff there, yung parang dried shrimp, and mga kung ano-ano pa. And then this one, ito yung parang cabinet. So here I have another one from so, ayun, favorite ko kasi yun guys, yung cereal na yun. And then, bumili na rin ako nung, tawag dito, ilang kilo ba to? I think this is 5 or 6 kilo ng sinandoming. Tapos, I have like, ito yung stock ko dati dito. I have some pan, tapos mga container, which has like mga oatmeal at kung ano-ano. Ayan. And then, moving forward, dito naman tayo sa taas guys, yung parang cabinet. So, dito guys, hindi ko na siya papakita kasi wala namang nakalagay dyan. So, this one here, bumili rin ako ng mga chips. There's another one there, yung cereal. And then, ito guys, since hindi na ako mag-chocolate, ito na lang paggagawa ko ng pancake. And then, aside from that, I have the oil. So, 2 liters para hindi na ako lumabas guys. Maganda rin kasi mag-stock guys. Huwag mag-hoard pero stock. Para at least, hindi ka nalalabas-labas, so you're trying to avoid human contact. Mas malaki yung exposure mo to get that virus. So, ayan. Have it here. Ano pa ba yung mga nandito? Mga condiments, bagoong, liquid seasoning like Danor, patis, ketchup, mga yan. Tapos, I have some, yung mga ganyan, delata, corned beef, and other stuff. So, ayan. Konti lang naman siya, guys. And mag-isa lang naman ako dito. I have some pasta there sa mga tuna at kung ano-ano. Tapos I have some chips up there sa may taas. Tapos mga kung ano-anong tumbler in my collection. And then the next one is here. So sa taas guys, mga instant noodles. This one, I got 2 of this. So hindi ako mahilig kumain ng ganito pero this time kailangan just in case pag nagkaubusan. Tapos I have some pasta there, oatmeal, some small chips. Tapos dito ko nilalagay guys, mahilig kasi ako magkain ng wafer like yung sa stick o ba yun? Yeah, stick o. So instead na itapon mo yung plastic guys, dito ko siya nilalagay. and then some pasta, and then I have this, I think, ground black pepper. Ayan. And then dito naman sa second compartment, guys, also have, I think, apple cider. Ayan, tanggalin natin ito para you could see. I have pancake here. Ayan, isang malaking box. And then ito yung sa may carbonara. So I have some Doritos chips there. Sorry naman daw. Pangtanggal ng stress. So, and then we also have like ito yung mga sa rack. I mean, lagayan to. Nabili ko lang to, guys, parang si Japan Homes, yung mga Daiso. Dito ko nakalagay yung mga spices. And then, normally, guys, meron na rin siyang label. So, ito yung katulad nito, paprika. Para yan. Para hindi siya pasukin ng kung ano-ano. Tapos, hindi rin siya masira. So, that's how I organize it here. So, ayan. Tapos, lagyan mo lang ng pangalan, guys, just in case para hindi ka malito or whatnot. And I have like the Himalayan salt here, mga ganito. Gelatin, so siguro magko-coffee jelly ako. I have some coffee here, mga Knorr cubes tea, tapos yung other spices and from McCormick, and then ito yung mga ganyan, mga soup just in case. So ayan lang naman, guys, for the second one. And then another one is ito. Ito ko nilalagay, I think, yung mga plates. Ayan. I have some, I still have Malaysian coffee here. So yung mga tumblers. Lipton iced tea bag, and then ito, guys, Mongo. But I have a lot of this, guys. Like I have 2 of this, yung ganito. This is popcorn, guys, so this is really healthy. I would definitely recommend this kesa yung na microwave, kasi that is very unhealthy. So have some chips, and then mga ganito. Ano bang tawag dito? Crackers. I have a condensed milk here, and then yung mga knickknacks ko nasa taas. What else? So I have like, I think I have a red wine here. Hindi ko pa ito nakiinom. Yan, mga red egg. This is good thing as well, like making salad. So I'll try to show you like anong masarap na ihalo dito. Like pag nagsasalad, masarap din kasi ito, guys. And then we also have like yung mga tumbler ko, mug. Ayan. And then measuring cups. Tapos andito naman yung mga utensils, chopstick, and all sorts of stuff. And of course, again, guys, I have like 4 of this, guys. Nung dati kasi may 2 ako, tapos nagdagdag ako ulit ako ng 2 para lang at least ready and I don't have to go outside. I'm not sure, guys, mahilig kasi ako nito eh. This is also low fat. This is from Tesco. Tesco is like the Costco of UK. So ayan. And 750 grams na rin siya, guys. And at the same time, this is like 198 pesos. So parang naglalaro lang siya sa 200 pesos. And sobrang laki niya. So this is very solid. And next up is the fridge, guys. Comment down below kung gusto nyo makita yung fridge. I will upload a separate vlog on this video, guys. So stay tuned.